Welcome to this high intensity workout for beginners. We're going to start off with our warm up right away, and I have to let you know that this is a real workout for beginners. If you're trying to lose weight and you're not really into doing the most, this is the workout for you. We are really going to keep it simple in this. We're not going to work out for very long, and these are the best moves you can possibly be doing. Let's move on to the next warm-up. Really make sure your core is engaged, stay in a squat position, and just gently rock from side to side. We're going to be doing only 4 exercises per round, and we're doing only 2 rounds, so I know you can do it. All right, let's do it together. Okay, last warm-up is side pulls. Your core is tight and you're just pulling from side to side and courtesying a little bit while you do it. It sounds more complicated when I explain it, but it's really easy to do. The warm-up is super short today. If you need a longer warm-up, which I recommend, I would say pause the video and get in a longer warm-up. Sweet. All right, let's get into the part where we almost die. This is I'm kidding. We're not going to die. Step jacks. You're going to step from side to side, but if you're feeling more advanced, you can, do full jumping jacks. I will be doing step jacks because, like I said, this workout is for people that are not trying to do the most. Keep your core engaged and just step from side to side. Wave those arms like, yay, I got this. I can do this. I'm in for it. I'm in it to win it. I'm about to kill it. I'm about to be looking snatched. Okay, you got the idea. Keep going. Good. Next up, we're going to do squats. Keep your core tight and just drop it low. Keep your core tight, drop it low. Pretend you're sitting back into a chair when you do this. If you don't want to go too low, you don't have to go all the way down. You can go as low as you feel like. Take breaks if you need to. The point is, you're working out today. That's all that matters. There's no judgment here. No judgment. Keep going. You're doing good. Just a couple more. Hakuna Matata. Doo-doo-doo. Awesome. Okay, we're doing knee catches, but if you don't want to do knee catches, if you want to do a little bit more, you can do high knees, which is the version on the right, but I will be doing the version on the left. Just keep that core tight and try to catch your knees. You got it? Very simple. Keep that core engaged. There you go. Go at your own pace. You can go faster if you want, slower if you want. We're not trying to do the most today. Just take your time, enjoy your workout. In fact, we have one more exercise and you get a full minute to rest. So you're winning. Next up, burpees. I know. Save the worst for last, but it's okay. You can handle it. Keep your core tight, put your body on the floor, and when you get back up, I want you to raise your hands up in triumph. There you go. Just do a couple. If you can only do 4, do just 4. If you can do 5, do 5. Nobody's watching, I hope. You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going. Oh, see? You made it to the break. You actually made it. That's awesome. Take a full minute to rest. Pat yourself on the back. You're halfway through your workout. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Totally free for you, and it means so much to me you have no idea. It's actually weird how much it means to me when you subscribe, and I appreciate and love every single one of you so much. I'll be back after the break to continue working out with you. Now, if that's not true love, I don't know what is. Does your best friend work out with you like I do? No, I didn't think so. You subscribe yet? Okay. Thank you. I love you. I'll see you after the break. Welcome back. We are doing something shocking. We are going to go straight back to the beginning and have deja vu. Keep your core tight, step side to side. If you're doing step jacks, you just jump out. If you're doing jumping jacks, it's up to you how intense you want this to be. I'm going to be doing step jacks. Just make sure your core is engaged and you're going at your own pace. There you go. At this point, you're wondering if you're actually going to make it to the end. And let me just tell you, yes, you're going to make it to the end. You got this. It's a 5-minute workout. I know you can do it. All right, we're going to do squats. Are you ready? All right. You're going to go as low as is comfortable for you. You don't have to go all the way to the ground. There's no need for that. That's just doing the most. Keep your core engaged, pretend to be sitting back in a chair, and you will get this perfect. You are doing so amazing. You have 2 more exercises after this, and you are literally done. Seriously. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. Hey, keep going. Okay, next up, we're going back to those knee catches. You're just going to keep your core tight and try to catch your knees. If you're feeling energized and you really want to go hard, you can do high knees, which is the version I'm doing on the right. Totally up to you. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. You look so amazing, and I am so proud of you. Keep going. Almost at the end. Just hang in there. Don't listen to that voice in your head. She doesn't know what she's talking about. He doesn't know what he's talking about. There you go. You made it. One more. Last move. Burpees. Are you ready? Core is tight. You put your body on the floor. Stand up. Say yay. Go down. Put your body on the floor. Stand up. Say yay. Are you ready? Let's go. Yay! I bet you didn't really expect me to say yay, did you? Keep going. You're doing good. I am so proud of you. Keep going. You got this. You can do it. Don't stop. Just keep going. Just a couple more. Just a few more seconds. Oh, who is the boss? You are. Let's cool down. We're going to go around the world. Keep your core engaged and just rotate because you did amazing. You're just going to put a slight bend in your knee now. Give yourself a big hug and just twist from side to side. Just want to remind you that you have done something amazing for yourself today, and I am so proud of you. You should feel good about working out today. If you need more time to cool down, you're welcome to do so, but I'm out. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next workout video.